Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the pop-up notifications for block scene when video recording on your PlayStation 4. This is really easy to do. So just on the home screen here, we can go up to notifications and we can select this menu. Then we can press options and we can go to notification settings right here. Now it's going to bring us to this screen. Now you may want to turn this on, disable pop-up notifications when playing videos. Then we can go to pop-up notifications just on the top. And we can scroll on down under this list and uncheck mark the ones you don't want to go ahead and see as pop-up notifications. So I don't have my activities listed or my friend requests, so I do not see any of those pop-up notifications on my PlayStation 4. But there is a section under here that says blocked scenes for video recording. Receive notifications at the beginning and end of scenes for which gameplay recording is blocked. So a lot of times, like in the options menu or when you're starting up a game or something like that, it's going to show you like a little trailer or something. It's going to pop up with this notification. Just simply uncheck mark this and you won't see that anymore on your PlayStation 4. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.